Hi everyone, today's headlines. Himanta Sharma on Naga political mission. Nagaland COVID-19 tally 9,474. ZSUN demands thinning leaky road connectivity. Kids found to have antibodies that could protect against COVID. US President-elect Biden calls for unity. Army officer and 3 Jawans killed in action. 3 terrorists gunned down in Jammu and Kashmir. Delhi Capitals in maiden IPL final. NSCN-IM dismisses claims of Assam Rifles and Manipur Police. News in details. Himanta Sharma on Naga political mission. Assam Finance Minister and Northeast Democratic Alliance convener Himanta Biswa Sharma arrived Kohima on a one-day lightning visit Sunday to meet with State Chief Minister Nefirio. According to informed sources, Sharma, who has of late become the BJP's man in the Northeast after BJP National General Secretary Ram Madhav was shifted, has been keeping in touch with both Chief Minister Nefirio and opposition NPF leader TR Ziliang over the Naga political issue. Nagaland COVID-19 tally 9,474. Nagaland on Sunday reported 19 new COVID-19 positive cases, 12 in Kohima, 2 in Dimapur, 3 in Mon, 1 each in Mokokchung and Tunjang, taking the tally to 9,474. ZSUN demands thinning leaky road connectivity. Zimi Students Union Nagaland has strongly condemned the alleged action and delay in executing the long-cherished thinning leaky road, alleging that work on the project was diluted for profit of individuals with party affiliations. Union President Akam Pame and Social and Cultural Secretary Gedi Rangbe Pame said the 37.5-kilometer road from Tening to Peren to Liki in Assam was sanctioned with 100% central assistance under Northeast Road Sector Development Scheme. Kids found to have antibodies that could protect against COVID. Scientists have found that some people, notably children, have antibodies reactive to SARS-CoV-2 in their blood, despite not ever having been infected with the virus. These antibodies are likely the result of exposure to other coronaviruses, which cause a common cold and which have structural similarities with SARS-CoV-2, the virus responsible for COVID-19, said the study published in the journal Science. US President-elect Biden calls for unity. President-elect Joe Biden addressed a deeply divided nation Saturday night, turning to the challenges ahead by grounding his victory speech in the spirit of compromise, asking supporters of President Donald Trump to give him a chance and calling on all Americans to turn the page from what he described as a grim era of demonization. Biden made that plea for unity and understanding in his hometown of Wilmington, Delaware, at an extraordinary moment in American history when the current occupant of the White House showed no indication that he plans to concede to his rival and continue to push the fiction on Twitter that he had won the election, while making baseless accusations about how the election was stolen from him. Army officer and 3 Jawans killed in action. 3 terrorists gunned down in Jammu and Kashmir. 4 security force personnel, including an army officer and 3 militants, were killed during a failed infiltration bid by the Ultras along the line of control in Machil sector of Jammu and Kashmir, officials said on Sunday. The militant made an abortive bid to infiltrate into the site of the LOC in Machil sector in North Kashmir, Kupwara district during the night, the official said. Delhi Capitals in maiden IPL final. Shikhar Dhawan's fairy half-century and Marcus Stoinis' all-round show carried Delhi Capitals into their maiden IPL final as they survived some anxious moments before prevailing by 17 runs in second qualifier here on Sunday. Breathtaking counter-attacking knocks by Kane Williamson and Abdul Samad threatened to dash Delhi Capitals' hopes, but Stoinis' timely dismissal of the Kiwi batsman tilted in its side favor. The Capitals will now challenge Mumbai Indians for the title on Tuesday, having lost to them in the first qualifier. NSCN-IM dismisses claims of Assam Rifles and Manipur Police. NSCN-IM has denied Manipur police claim of an encounter between its cadre and Assam Rifles or police in the neighboring state Bishnupur district on Saturday, wherein Jailung Chiru and Jedingam Longme were reportedly injured and hospitalized. In a statement, the organization clarified that there was no encounter whatsoever and termed the claim of recovery of arms and ammunition by Manipur police as baseless. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.